Yan, mag-shoutout na tayo. Yan, mega love shoutout to Lavender, Christy and Ching TV, First Time Soccer. Bus stop, thank you so much for coming. Where are you in America? Hello from America. Christy and Ching TV, mega love shout out po. Thank you so much for coming po. Kasama ni Sir Lee si Christy and Ching. KitKat ko, mega love shout out. Sir Lee the mentor, mega love shout out. Thank you so much po, sir. Kita-kits po mamaya. Inday Maldita, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming, Inday Maldita. Okay, natusukan na natin yan, Inday Maldita. Inday Marie, shout out everyone from Inday Marie, mega love shout out. LTV Vlogs, mega love shout out. Ems Joy Channel, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out sa ating Eagle Squad team. Thank you so much for coming. Mac RTV, of course, our team BFF. Christine Ching TV, lahat po ng First Time Soccer po dito ay piniplay ko na ano. Kay sir, ano ko na lang po lalapag yung resibo nyo. Thank you so much po for coming. Dapons! Oh, si Dapons pala dun dili. Ah, sige, nakasulat ka, Dapons. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi makatana-play kanina. Alam mo na. Kalikutin kita mamaya. Mega lang shout out, KitKat ko, Mac RTV, Annalyn Berrico from Mami Rose. Vince Kaisam from Mami Rose. Thank you so much po sa support. All about food and travel. Of course, I'm done with your video. GC Lion USA. Ang gandara ng Amerika. OFW Macau. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much sa laging support kay Maricoy. Thank you so much. Iyan. Sino pa? Limpi Gamino. Mega love shout out. Mamaya mag-ikot-ikot din ako. Maricoy Erlyn Vlog, mega love shout out. Congratulations in advance. Papunta ka na doon, nandoon ka na. Good luck. CL and LF USA, mega love shout out. Ems Joe, salamat doon sa caramelized banana mo. Gagayahin ko yon. Favorite ko kasi ang banana saging. Vince Kaisam! Si Vince Kaisam, sulat natin. Hindi pa nakasulat. Alaki na si baby, no? Ang bilis, ano? 1 taon na agad yon. Alam mo, pag nakikita ko nga yung mga pictures natin, no? Nung nagpunta ako sa inyo, naku, kung hindi lang talaga, gusto kong i-post. Kaya lang talagang ganda lang yun. Akin lang yun. Oh. Tingnan mo, diba? Ang laki-laki na siguro ni baby. Christ 20 Tegite Sangma. Mega love shout out. Our friend from India yan, si Christ Twin. Bilatsky. Live ka? Live ka, Bilatsky? Linwa Vibes, mega love shout out. Yeah, that's all for today. Sakto lang 2 hours. Yan! 2 hours and 6 minutes. Thank you so much mga Maricoy for supporting. Paalam. See you again.